In this video, I'm going to show you how to export emails from New Outlook. Now to do this, you actually have two options. The first one's going to be for all the emails, so you want to go to the top right, click on the settings cogwheel, and then you want to go to data files and then export, and then from here you can basically export content from your mailbox just like this, okay? Now for this, you're going to have a Microsoft 365 subscription, and then just click on get started over here if you have it, and you'll be able to go through this process through the wizard and export everything you want together with your emails, okay? That's the first way you could do this, but then there's also one more way to do it, which is I'm going to show you right now. So you want to, of course, if you want to export like an individual email, that's also super possible. You want to find the email, you want to double click on it to open it like this, and then from here you want to go to those three dots to open more actions. Here towards the bottom you can find that you have save as, so you can click on save as and click on save as EML, or of course MSG as well, whatever you want. I'm going to do EML, I'm going to click on it, and there we go. It's going to pop up this. You can select where you want to save this, click on it, and of course select the email, of course the file name as well of your email, hit the save button, and you're good to go. You've successfully exported emails from New Outlook. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.